It's Skin Cancer Awareness Month. Skin cancer is the most common cancer in the United States. More than 5 million cases are diagnosed every year.
It is important to wear sunscreen, obviously, to protect your skin. So News 2's Laura Smith talked with a dermatologist about which sunscreens are the best.
It's so important to protect your skin because the skin remembers every second you spent in the sun from the time you were a baby.
Dr. Germain says what you may not realize is the sun damage accumulates and causes problems later, putting you at risk for eye damage, skin cancers, and aging.
If you don't use sunscreen, you're going to age much faster because your collagen is going to be eaten up by the free radicals that the ultraviolet radiation produces.
Skin cancer is the most common cancer in the United States.
1 person dies of melanoma every hour.
It's also the most preventable.
So unfortunately, there's no such thing as a safe tan. Avoiding the midday sun, wear a hat with a 3-inch brim, wrap around sunglasses, apply your sunscreen, and wear sun protective clothing.
You want to use a sunscreen with a sun protective factor, or SPF, of at least 30.
There's not much of a difference in protection between 30 and 50, but why not get that extra protection?
Wear it all day.
The #1 issue is not using enough sunscreen.
How much sunscreen should you use in a day? Dr. Germain says at least an ounce on your entire body and a teaspoon on your face. Reapply every 2 hours.
If you're going to be outside sweating, you should wear a very water-resistant sunscreen.
For children and better protection, use sunscreen containing zinc oxide.
Because you want to avoid chemicals for the children.
It blocks both UVA and UVB harmful rays.
What I want to say is for people just to be as careful as they can in the sun, go out and have fun, but just practice sun safety habits.
All right, that was Laura Smith reporting. Let's look at that again because we're talking about 1 ounce of sunscreen on your body. I'm going to sit there and measure that out. So best way to get that idea in your head is that's about a shot glass full. Dr. Germain also mentioned to use about a teaspoon on your face.
Dr. Germain says sprays and creams are fine. She says cream is easier because you can tell how much you put on. Stay with us. We'll come